How to delete Pinterest history on mobile. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. Here you will find quick and easy tutorial videos on diverse range of topics. In today's video, we will learn how to delete Pinterest history on mobile. For that, open your Pinterest app or the website. Click on that profile icon at the left below the screen. You can see settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. Then click on settings. You will see the option that says privacy and data. Click on privacy and data here. We will be guided to next page. Scroll down and you will see the option that says clear app cache. By clicking on it, your cache will be cleared and your history will be deleted. Also, to delete your search history, come back to the home page, click on the search icon below and click on search bar. These are the search history on your Pinterest app. Click on this cross sign to delete them and delete it one by one manually like this. Once you're all done, your search history is cleared. This is how it is done. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications for more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.